Hey, what's up, everybody? This is the DeFi enthusiast here, and today I've got a massive video for you guys where we're going to be discussing a couple of things. We're going to be talking about uh, what you see right in front of you, the OG Bitcoin, although I don't talk about it too much because I'm more in the DeFi space and I'm more interested in other technologies in the crypto space because those are the ones that are really going to bring mass adoption. But Bitcoin rising is good for all cryptocurrency, and it's a great store of value, and no one can debate that. Anyways, guys, so as you can see, the market looks healthy. It's at 349 billion right now. If you can see it right here, it's almost about to be 350 billion. You know the way things are going, and that's great. What I really like about this time, the way Bitcoin is moving. I mean, if we see the chart here, it looks fantastic, guys, because I think the next resistance for Bitcoin is going to be at about, the 12,300, 12,500 range. And I think its next target is actually 13K, which is awesome. And what I really like is how organically things are going up right now. It's not like it's going crazy, at once, like a moonshot. It's going steady. It's going at a steady pace, and that is exactly what we need to see in order to be in this bull market in order to be in this bull market, because it's so it needs to be a healthy organic market. All right, and this is so I'm very excited. I'm very happy to see the way Bitcoin is progressing. And, when Bitcoin goes up, eventually all the altcoins are going to go up as well. And that helps the entire market. And, that's looking great. But today we're also going to be discussing one of my favorite coins called Theta. Now, Theta is the next generation of video delivery powered by you. It's a decentralized, video delivery solution. And it's got Theta TV, esports, blockchain, G Fuel. They have a partnership with Samsung. Massive project, guys. I mean, if you guys are in the crypto space, you probably know about it. Steve Chen, the co-founder of YouTube, says Theta's innovation is set to disrupt today's online video industry, much in the same way that the YouTube platform did to traditional video back in 2005. So it's a decentralized video platform, guys, and one of our biggest challenges had been the high cost of delivering video to various parts of the world, and this problem is only getting bigger with HD, 4K, and higher quality video streams. Said Steve Chen, co-founder of YouTube. I'm excited to be part of the next evolution of the streaming space, helping Theta create a decentralized peer-to-peer network that can offer improved video delivery at lower costs. Now. Guys, Theta, it's got some amazing partners, to be honest. Enterprise validator nodes, Google, Binance, Blockchain, Gumi. And if you look at the partners for Theta, Samsung VR, Hello, Theta TV, Pandora TV, Movie Block, Cost.tv, G Fuel, Alt Customs, G Fuel Energy Formula, Play Labs, Eastern Media, GG, Sweeps, Vast, God Mode Unlocked, ZNN. Some really cool companies, great gaming platforms, great gaming companies as well. Some great endorsements there, and Theta is going well according to its roadmap. So I think. We're I think somewhere around here now, where it's the release of turning complete smart. We're somewhere around here. I think first implementation of decentralized file sharing of any content type, such as game patches, applications, OS updates, beta launch of Theta protocol adapted to smart TVs and IoT devices. This has already been done, Internet of Things, and I think we're around this phase. Release of turning complete smart contract support for Theta mainnet. Production release of the end-to-end universal edge cacher, beta release of ingest encoding protocol for live video applications. Guys, they've got some great blockchain advisors. You guys got to read the white paper for these things, and do your own research. But for me, I'm very bullish on Theta, guys. I mean, I bought this coin when at this price point, and I also bought it when it was, I think, 7 cents. And then it shot all the way up to 55 cents, and now it's been a little bit down. But as you can see, as the market is growing organically, which is exactly what we need, remember, we don't want those massive spikes and then a sudden downfall. We need a natural, properly paced growth in the crypto market. And as you can see, it's 29 cents right now. 10 and does Theta have a lot of room to grow? Yes, absolutely. Because guys, listen, I'm not going to sell you any hopium, okay? But I genuinely believe that in 2021, okay, and at the end of 2020, you guys are really going to start to see that. But this is just my personal opinion, not financial advice. But this is just my opinion, so take it with a grain of salt. But I believe we're going to be seeing $1 trillion market very, very soon. Look, guys, and the reason why I say that is, I mean, Bitcoin again. Every time, Bitcoin is a bubble. Remember that. When we see a rise in the market, an interest in the market. Look at the time. I mean, the time couldn't be better. I know the world is going through a massive, a lot of weirdness, and I'm not going to talk about what it's going through. You guys already know what the hell is happening. It's a universal issue. But what I've noticed is, look what's going up, guys. Cryptos and precious metals. And there's no better time to get a look at this, guys. If you guys see this, U.S. printed more money in 1 month than in 2 centuries. All right. This is an article from Cointelegraph. In a letter to investors released on July 29, Pantera Capital CEO Dan Morehead noted that the United States has printed a shocking amount of money to combat the pandemic-induced financial crisis. The United States printed more money in June than in the first 2 centuries after its founding. Morehead wrote. Last month, the U.S. budget deficit was $864 billion. Was larger than the total debt incurred from 1776 through the end of 1979. With that first trillion USD printed, we defeated British imperialists, bought Alaska and the Louisiana Purchase, defeated fascism, ended the Great Depression, built the interstate highway system, and went to the moon. So Morehead cited that the resulting inflation as the main reason one should get out of paper money and into Bitcoin. According to the CEO, there is no need for inflation-adjusted numbers with Bitcoin because there is no inflation or hyperinflation. All right, going to zero. Gold bug Peter Schiff is also concerned about the effects of money printing. He noted comments by the chair of Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, who said this week that the Fed was using its full range of tools to respond to the pandemic, printing money, keeping interest rates close to zero, and making asset purchases steady at $120 billion per month. The U.S. is about to experience one of the greatest inflationary periods in world history. Schiff said on Twitter, any credibility the Fed has left will be lost. Federal Reserve notes soon won't be worth a continental. Continental paper money in the U.S. was at one time exchanged for Treasury bonds at 1% of its face value. So the point I'm trying to make is, guys, the $1 trillion market is coming, okay? Because honestly, if you guys don't believe that, then what on earth are you doing in this space anyways? Really? I mean, a lot of people, I hear this all the time. They think, oh, we're not going to see another, bull run, like the last one. And yeah, we're not. We're going to see a much better one. Okay? And that's not hopium. It's just a fact because, look, guys, look at what's happening. PayPal is opening its entire market. The entire U.S. market is going to be open to PayPal, and people are going to be able to buy crypto directly. They're going to be able to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the popular coins. Plus, people are going to be getting more into the crypto space. And then when they start learning about, these cool projects like DigiByte, Theta, Cardano, Zilliqa, Reserve Rights, you name it, guys. I mean, Monero, Horizon. There's so many, and we'll talk about a bunch of these other ones. I've already spoken about a few in the past. Chainlink, of course. Chainlink, the star of this bull run in my opinion. But anyways, so the $1 trillion market is coming, guys, and honestly, even I would say personally, not financial advice, it's my personal opinion, you still have a lot of time to get into Theta, even today, because this thing is going to grow to heights that I'm not even going to talk about. And I genuinely believe that if you guys hold a decent bag of this, you guys are going to be very happy campers by the end of I'm not going to make any predictions, but usually, according to the bull cycle, I think you guys are going to be happy, by the end of next year or a couple of years down the road with this. And Theta has got everything right for it. It's got a great team. It's got great funding. It's got great partnerships, you've got, even the guys at Twitch, are like their media advisors, and like Justin Can, and you've got Sam Wick from Sony, head of Ventures United Talent Agency, and he's worked with Sony as well. And this is an impressive. This whole project has been impressive since the moment I learned about it, and it's on the Ethereum blockchain, and I think it's got a lot to offer, guys. It's like I said, it's a long-term hold. You got to hodl basically, and so yeah, I think in my view, Theta, you guys should have some Theta, with you, because the type of coins that I'm going to recommend to you guys are not going to be like some ridiculous pump and dumps. Okay, honestly speaking, I'm not interested in that. What I'm interested in are particular projects that are going to last a nice life cycle. Okay, that are going to last. That even, let's say, when this complete bubble of the bull market is over and everything goes down, and you guys cash out, you guys can still get back in, because these things are going to remain, and things are going to grow again. So those are the type of coins that I want to recommend to you guys, and those are the type of things that I want to talk about. Okay, you'll find a lot of other guys in the YouTube space. I'm not going to take any names, and I think a lot of them are doing a fantastic job. So it's not a war, but you're going to find a lot of guys that recommend to you to get into a coin, and it pumps to a massive level, but they never tell you when to get out. And it turns out, and because everybody wants to follow the patterns of the last bull run, which is, it's like at the end of 2021 or something, this year, they think that, those coins are going to last. Those coins are going to keep growing until that point. But you know what? They get juiced out. They have a massive rise, but then they just go back down, and then they're dead. So I don't want to recommend anything like that. And I think Theta has longevity. Okay, if there's anything that I've learned, is that I want to recommend things to you guys that has longevity in it. Okay, Theta, DigiByte, Zilliqa, all these coins are long-term holds. Okay, Ethereum, of course. Ethereum is also the star of the DeFi space. So yeah, definitely, guys, check out Theta. I love this project. I love what they're doing, and I think this you guys should read the white paper, and I believe you guys are going to be impressed. All right, guys, and now let's move on to another very bullish scenario, guys. All right, finally, Cardano Shelly upgrade offers staking rewards with possible returns of 4.65% per year. So Cardano Shelly mainnet went live on July 29th. Yes, finally. This upgrade introduces staking, which allows users to invest their ADA cryptocurrency and earn interest, profit. Okay? Banking, for the love of God, guys, banking, interest, and crypto profit are two very different things. Anyways, I'm just going to read it for what it is. With staking complete, Cardano must now introduce governance features, custom tokens, and applications. Cardano launched its Shelly mainnet today, introducing staking rewards for all users who own its ADA cryptocurrency. The launch took place on July 29, 2020 at 21:45 UTC. More technically, this event marks the hard fork that introduced the relevant changes to Cardano's blockchain code. Charles Hoskinson's tweet here says, "We have reached orbit. Shelly hard fork is successful. When Shelly? Now. Shelly has fully launched." And you guys can check out Charles's tweet on Twitter. And Cardano staking is live. Cardano offers two types of staking. Advanced users can run their own staking pools, which requires technical management and reliable uptime. Meanwhile, typical users can delegate their ADA tokens to those pools and earn rewards with minimal effort. Cardano's website estimates that users will earn 4.63% interest per year. But this rate may change depending on participation. Users who stake between July 29th and August 3rd will receive the first payouts on August 18th. Rewards are calculated cyclically, as shown below. Okay, the delegation cycle. So Shelly hard fork. Check this out, guys. Stake snapshot. First stake distribution snapshot will be taken on August 3rd. You'll be able to start delegating from Epoch 0 July 29th to August 3rd. Epoch 2, first blocks will be produced by pools during Epoch 2, August 8th to August 13th. Epoch 3, first rewards will be calculated during Epoch 3, August 14th to 18th. First rewards will be distributed and Epoch 4 is first rewards will be distributed at the start of Epoch 4, August 18th, and then ITN users will be able to reclaim their rewards on August 3rd. Over 465 pools are currently online according to Cardano's parent company, IOHK. Cardano aims to reach an equilibrium of 1,000 pools, a number already achieved on the testnet. Awesome. Over 12.999 billion ADA was staked on the Cardano incentivized testnet. The long road to staking. Cardano staking features have been under development since 2018. After months of work, the project invited early participants to stake real value in December 2019. The hype has seemingly paid off. In early July, Cardano attracted 14,000 new addresses every day. However, the hype is arguably sustainable. Some suggest that social media engagement and market trends are not as positive as they appear, which could impact ADA prices negatively. Right now, Cardano has 3 applications beyond staking, but the project's roadmap indicates that it will change. The Voltaire stage will introduce a governance system to guide development, and Gogun will add smart contracts, apps, and custom tokens. IOHK CEO Charles Hoskinson recently predicted that these upgrades would attract thousands of developers to the Cardano platform. You know what? I actually agree with that. This time next year, I predict there will be hundreds of assets running on Cardano, thousands of dApps, tons of interesting projects, and lots of unique use and utility. 2021 is going to be so much fun watching Cardano grow and evolve. The community is definitely ready to innovate. And that brings me to the point, guys. If we look at Cardano, all right. When I talk about longevity, this is another one, guys. Cardano, I bought this when it was, the first time I actually bought it, and then I sold it, which I regretted, was, I think, what was this all-time low? Yeah, I bought it, I think, at 3 cents, okay? And then Cardano, then I bought it back when it was, I think, 9 or 10 cents, okay? And now we're sitting at 13 cents, but its all-time high last time in the last bull run was $1.33. Guys, this was when Cardano was just all talk, you know? Everything was in the air. It was like a totally speculative asset. Today it's a reality. If it could reach $1 at that point, imagine what it can do now. Now that you've got the Shelly mainnet live, now that all these dApps are going to be made on the Cardano blockchain, now that things are going to be finally working there. And and I think you guys are still early in right now, man. You guys can get into Cardano, you know. My personal opinion on how much should you hold, I mean, look, not financial advice, just my opinion, that at least you guys should have about 25,000 to 30,000 tokens. And the best thing that would be if you guys hold 70K to 100K of these. But I think 25 to 30K would also make you guys into happy investors in Cardano, because it's got a very bright future. And, you know, some people even call it the Ethereum killer, right? And it's a great project, guys. And now it's not even something that is, you know, speculative. It's a reality now. Like, it's actually, you know, it's gone live. You know, it's actually doing things, and it's only the beginning for this great, fantastic project. And I wish the team at Cardano all the best. You know, and keep in mind, guys, I don't get paid for any of this stuff, what I talk about, because I'm not interested in that. I just want to recommend to you things that I personally am invested in, okay? Because I believe in them, and I feel they have longevity. Remember, my concept is longevity, okay? I'm not talking about pump and dumps. If I ever talk about pump and dumps, I will tell you guys that, you know what, get in right now and get out at a certain period of time, because that's going to be a pump and dump, okay? But Cardano, Theta, Digibyte, you know, coins like, you know, projects like these are not pump and dumps. These are like long-term projects, okay? And long-term in crypto is like anywhere between 6 months to a year to 3 months, you know, things like that. And so anyways, so yeah, fantastic news for Cardano. Now Shelly is live, and that's great. And one more interesting thing, Ludina Protocol announces partnership with Theta Network. See also Korea, July 28, 2020. South Korean gaming social platform Ludina Protocol and Theta Network, the leading decentralized video delivery network powered by an innovative new blockchain and distributed ledger technology, announces a strategic partnership with a mutual focus to drive usership through increased content exposure. Do you know how bullish this news is for Theta, guys, for more adoption? It's fantastic. As part of the agreement, the Ludina Protocol DApp Game Talk will be integrating the Theta protocol into its gaming-centric social platform that rewards users for gaming-related activities. Theta Network will bring its high-quality esports, gaming, and blockchain content to 3 million plus Game Talk users. Now that's what I'm talking about, guys. That is exactly the type of news that I like to hear. Yeah, fantastic. Users will earn rewards with the T-Fuel token for watching and sharing their bandwidth and videos with other network users and engaging with the content. This partnership will mark the first launch of Theta Live Mobile embedded for Android apps in Korea. Game Talk is an ideal partner to launch our Theta Live Mobile embedded product, embed product powered by the Theta Network, allowing viewers to relay esports and game streams to their peers and earn Theta token rewards. T-Fuel rewards T-Fuel just for watching and sharing their bandwidth resources, said Mitch Liu, Theta Labs CEO. In just a couple of months after announcing Theta Live Embed, it is now live on more than dozens of partner sites globally, and we are excited to branch out to Korea for the first time and to onboard local content. And that makes me wonder, guys, can we see a partnership also with Korea's sweetheart, South Korea, in fact, I think, if I remember correctly, ICX. Listen, guys, this is great because Korea is very bullish and very pro-crypto. Icon is another fantastic project, and I'll talk about it at a later point. Not in today's video, but yeah, I think this is great news for Theta. This is great news for their, a great mass adoption scenario right there. More people coming into the platform, and that's fantastic. That's the type of news that I like to see and hear. Okay, and not only that, guys. If you notice, this has been mentioned on Yahoo Finance. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about, guys. People, the average Joe is not going to be looking at Cointelegraph. Okay. They're going to be looking at CNN, BBC, Yahoo, MSN. And when you see these sort of platforms talking about crypto, that's always bullish for crypto, and that's good. All right, guys. And now if we look at this last article, first mover, Chainlink's soaring token shows lucrative Oracle role in fast-growing DeFi. You guys know how much I love Chainlink, guys. Those Chainlink Marines should definitely subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up and lots of love and spread the word. All right. Anyways, the Chainlink tokens have quadrupled in price this year to become one of the biggest success stories this year in cryptocurrency markets. Yep, it's the all-star. The project market capitalization now the 12th highest among all digital assets at 2.7 billion, according to CoinGecko, reflects investor perceptions of Chainlink as a leading crypto provider. That means it supplies prices and data streams to semi-automated lending and trading systems built atop blockchains. A first mover, CoinDesk Daily Markets newsletter. You're reading, okay. Assembled by the CoinDesk team. Yeah, okay. All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks, CoinDesk. The function is crucial in the fast-growing arena of decentralized finance, or DeFi, which has generated such a speculative fervor in recent months that supposed money of the future Bitcoin has almost started to look passé. But now, Chainlink's early lead as the dominant DeFi oracle is starting to attract competitors. Yo, guys, what's up with all of this? I have no clue. But anyways, it's starting to attract competitors, and cryptocurrency investors are wondering if the niche industry might be due for a shakeup. Given the key role played by oracles in DeFi, users of the decentralized system also stand to benefit. Potential rivals could include dedicated oracle upstarts like Teller. Teller is a really great project, to be honest, as well as leading DeFi projects like MakerDAO that are developing their own solutions. Another data oracle band protocol launched a new version of its network on the Cosmos blockchain last month to avoid congestion on the more popular Ethereum network on which Chainlink runs. Others in the space include Augur and Nest, according to the industry tracking. Guys, honestly speaking, while Teller and Band Protocol are, I think, very nice projects, and I think they'll do well in the future, but honestly speaking, guys, this bull run, this time, the star is going to be Chainlink. I know I sound biased, but that's just the reality. Because of all the partnerships that it has and all the attention that it has been given, you know. I mean, yeah. So I mean, heck, you know, when a project gets mentioned on the World Economic Forum, yeah, you know what I mean. Unfortunately, Teller and Band Protocol, I don't think they have really even been mentioned there. Not that they can't grow, which I believe they will. I'm just saying that Chainlink is the star of this bull run, and no matter what happens, it's going to remain the star. And is it going to remain the star in the next upcoming 5 years? Yeah, I think so, because it's going to stay. But I think Teller and Band Protocol are definitely going to take some share of that market. But Chainlink is just going to be so big. It's going to be so massive that it just wouldn't even matter. And this whole space, guys, whoever tells you that there's not enough money in the world, ask a billionaire. That's my advice. There's always a lot of money in the world. There's abundance. Okay, whoever tells you there is no abundance is lying to you. Okay, we've been led to believe by all sorts of, you know, by our entire messed up, you know, system that, you know, things are, you know, there's no abundance, and you know, everything is finite, and that's not true. So, guys, this entire space is going to get a lot of money coming into it. And if you guys don't believe it, get out of this. Honestly, I don't even know what you guys are doing in crypto, really. So I wanted to, you know, share all these things with you that I found interesting. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Now, before I leave, Okay. Uh, One last thing that I want to talk about, guys. Get in on this. All right. So as you can see, my T2X stakes. This one is still not completed, but so far I've earned these many dividends, and my amount staked is this much, and right now I have this much, and it's going to be more by the time it's done. These are new stakes, you know, as you can see here. These are going to last for a long period of time. This one's like this one's going to last for like 30 days. This is another one that's going to last for like what, 12 days, I think, or no, yeah. No, 11 days. Yeah, yeah, 11 days. And um, yeah, so I'm experimenting with this, and then I'm also using passive tron, guys. As you can see, I'm earning dividends on passive tron as well daily. The contract is looking healthy still. It's looking good because of the way it's designed, right? TRX chain. Remember, I'm just going to show you guys something really cool. So yeah, oh look, there we go. It's healthy. It's doing great, guys. It's actually doing fantastic. TRX chain, look at this, guys. Remember I talked about it yesterday. It's more than double now of that amount. And I don't know, this is what it's showing, that 310% income limit remained, 620 TRX. So so far I haven't been paid the total amount received TRX, but I put in 200. So this one is good. Get in on the action, guys. And of course, we've got the super chickens, you know, that have been, you know, giving me, you know, my chickens have been laying the eggs, and I sold some. And I'm going to take out the tron whatever tron I make, you know, I'm going to take it out when this auction timer runs out. And how much tron I receive all depends on how many eggs come in. The more eggs I think that come in for sale, the lesser tron you're eventually going to get. So, but you're making daily income, guys, and I think this is a great contract. And if we look at the smart contract here, let's have a look. Yep, this one is also doing well. Sorry, sometimes this just shows, it doesn't show the amount in dollars. That's weird. Why are you doing? Oh, there it was. Yeah, there, $16,328. So yeah, this is already increased even further, and that's great. As you can see, all these contracts, all these dApps are healthy. They're giving good payouts. They're giving constant. And T2X, guys, get in on the action. I'm telling you, this is such a game-changing staking platform, guys. Because, you know, not only do you earn Tron dividends, you also earn more T2X by the time the stakes are done, and then you can restake it. You can be doing this for a long period of time, guys, and you guys can be making so much money. Okay, you guys can be doing exactly what I'm doing right now. And I wanted to share with you something fantastic, which will I think entice you, or rather make you curious, and would tempt you to join this platform. Why do I want you guys? Why do I really want this for you guys? Because I want you to experience the same kind of returns that I'm getting. You know, I mean, I'm going to be putting in a lot more into T2X. Let me put it. Let me just get that right off. You know, right off my chest. You know, I'm really going to put in a lot more into this because it's giving me such great returns. And when I put more, I'm going to be getting a lot more great dividends and great returns. And yeah, look at this, guys. I had to share this with you. XSwap is coming soon. My friend Thomas G, he showed this to me, and I think this is such bullish and fantastic news. T2X token swap, effortlessly buy and sell T2X tokens. This is coming very soon. Distributed buy and sell fees. Fees are pooled and distributed for daily auction lobby buy-ins and liquidity providers. That's awesome. Token buyback and burn. All tokens purchased from the auction lobby from XSwap fees will be burned. When these tokens burn, guys, the ones that we hold, their values are going to go up. When the value goes up, you make more money, you get more Tron dividends. It's all good, right? we're all happy campers. So it's better to get in right now before this thing goes live. And liquidity provider dividends. Users that provide token liquidity share all incoming LPs fees, liquidity provider fees, guys. How awesome is that? You guys get paid to provide liquidity of your T2X tokens. So not only can you earn from your staking, you're going to earn when these coins also start burning because the supply decreases and you are a holder of those coins, and thus you hold a nice chunk in value of those coins, and plus you get paid to provide liquidity of those coins. I see no reason why you guys would want to hesitate to come into this, and I really recommend that, guys. Buy some Tron, guys, and get in on the T2X action. Links are going to be in the description. I hope today's video gave you guys some value. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, all right, and hit the bell icon, and share with your friends, and share with those guys who are still skeptics on crypto, because get them on board into crypto. And you know what? If you guys don't want to go through that headache, just share it with somebody who appreciates crypto, like you and I. And because I'm telling you, right now we're the weirdos, but soon everybody would want to be a weirdo like us. You know, because this bull run is going to be massive, guys. Anyways, I'm going to be talking about a very cool, game-changing coin. I call it the chameleon of DeFi. In my upcoming video very soon, I'll be talking about that. And so yeah, this is me, the DeFi enthusiast, signing out, guys. Take care.